Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. And in today's video, I'll show you guys how to hide your keyboard. Now this is a very simple process, anyone can do it. So before jumping into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, check out our other contents. So now let us begin the video. Now what you need to do is, first let me just open up my note. Now you can see there is a list of movies that I'm planning on watching. Now, as you can see, I have my keyboard up. If I type anything, it just keeps typing. Now, what you need to do is just touch on the upper part of your keyboard and just pull it down. If you do that, you will hide your keyboard. Now, this is very similar to in other apps too. All you need to just do is just pull it down, and you will hide your keyboard. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.